Good morning, CIMAGE. I am Aditya Mangalam of BCA Batch 1 Semester 2. Today I am discussing the topic shift operator in C programming language. So, what is shift operators? So, there are two types of shift operators available in C language. First is left shift and the other one is right shift. They are the symbols, this is the symbol of left shift operator and this is the symbol of right shift operator. They are used to manipulate the shifting the bits of a value of a number. So my topic, I am discussing the left shift operator today. So what is left shift operator? Left shift operator is a binary operator that two numbers. There are two operands in left shift operator. As this, you can see, this is a symbol of left shift operator. It can be read as A left shift B, where A is the value which we want to shift and B is the value which number of bits we want to shift to A. Its syntax is given as A less than A left shift B. Now, let's take an example. I have taken A is equal to 14. We want to shift A14 with two bits. So I have taken A left shift B, left shift 2. Its formula is given by A multiplied by 2 into number of shifts. So I have taken an example 14. We have to perform the 14 in 8 bits form. So I have written 14 in 8 bits form as 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 0. This is the 8 bit form of 14. Now we shift 14 with 1 bit. So its box becomes 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 0 and this is empty box remain as 0. And its value calculated at 28 at 14 into 2 to the power 1 as we have shifted 1 bit. Now we shift another bit, 14 left shift 2. Another bit shifted towards left, so it becomes 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 0 and here replaced by 0, 0 and it becomes 56. Why? 14 into 2 to the power 2. So I have taken an example of we have diagrammed this code as this is the main function. I have taken two variables n1 and n2. n1 I have declared n1 integer type variable and give it value 14 as previous example. In N2 we want to enter the number of shifts we want to shift by the user. So user enter the number which he want to shift, how many bits he want to shift to the 14. So we have input scanf in N2 printf before input number of position left shift, after input performing left shift operator, what is the value of A? I have written printf percentage d, here is the 14 percentage d, how many bits are shifted and this is the result. So I have diagrammed this program as this is the program. So I am going to dev C++ to run this program. This is the main function. We have declared n1 and give it value 14. We have declared n2. Let us zoom. This is the N2. We have entered how many bits you want to shift to 14. This is the user input here, how many bits you want to shift. Scanf in N2 and printf after performing left shift operation and we print the value of shifted operator. Let's run it. So here the window asks me to enter the number of shifts we want to shift at 14. I have entered 4. We want to shift 4 bits to 14 and its result is given by 14 left shift 2, 4 is equal to 224. How it becomes? 14 into 2 to the power 4. It becomes 224. So this is my program of left shift program. Thank you so much.